Hello. How are you doing?
Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking.
It's nice to see you again.
Yes, it's been a long time. We should meet up sometime.
That sounds great. How about Saturday afternoon?
Hey, I can't believe it's you.
Wow. I didn't expect to see you here. It's been ages. How have you been?
I've been great. Busy, but good. What about you?
Same here. We definitely need to hang out soon.
Absolutely. Let's plan something this week. Wow. I didn't expect to see you here.
Haha, same here. What a coincidence.
How long has it been since we last met?
Too long. We should not wait so long next time.
Agreed. Let's meet up soon. Hello. It's nice to see you again.
Hi. Yes, it has been a while. How have you been?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine as well. It's great running into you.
Oh my gosh. Is that really you?
Yes. I can't believe we're meeting after so long.
How have you been all these years?
I've been good. Busy, but happy. And you?
Same here. We need to catch up properly soon.
Definitely. Coffee or lunch this week? Hey. How's everything going?
Hi. Everything's good, thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Been busy with work.
Same here. Let's hang out this weekend.
Perfect. Can't wait.